Hi, I'm Sierra, and I'm a professional tutor here at the Academic Support Center at ICC. And today I'm going to show you how to use Brainfuse. Well, first, what is Brainfuse? Brainfuse is a 24/7 online tutoring service that you get access to for free as an ICC student. You can log on here anytime, pretty much any day, except Christmas and New Year's, and talk to a real person who can help you. Not a bot, not AI, a real Brainfuse tutor.
Wait, you're a tutor. Why are you telling me to go see another tutor? Don't you want me to work with you?
Well, of course I do. As much as I love to see your face and help you with your assignments, I know that's not always possible. Sometimes schedules just don't line up and you just can't meet with an ASC tutor. Sometimes you don't realize you need help until it's way after hours or it's a Sunday night right before the paper is due or that project is due. So it's important to know that there's another great resource available, and it's important that you know how to get to it. So first, how do you find Brainfuse? Well, really, there's two ways to get there. The first way is to go to the Academic Support Center website. That's icc.edu/ASC. You can also always get there by going to My ICC and finding us on this little grid. We are academic supports. That'll also take you to our website. Then you scroll all the way to the bottom to this section that says Brainfuse and click on this big button here. It'll take you to Canvas. That's kind of the other way to get to Brainfuse. So if you're already in Canvas, sometimes your instructor has a Brainfuse button inserted somewhere on the page already. And so it'll just look like this on the sidebar. And then you'll click this blue Launch Brainfuse button. Now, make sure that you are logged in to Canvas when you go here. Otherwise, this will not show up. It'll be some kind of little error message or it'll be grayed out. You won't be able to open it. So just log in, refresh the page, and click Launch. And here you go. You are in Brainfuse. And so the first things that stand out to us here on the homepage, the language option, the live help, and the writing lab. So first things first, we want to be able to understand everything that's going on. So if you have another language that's going to be easier for you to navigate the page with, choose it here. There's English, Canadian English, Spanish, and French. And next we have live help. This is the actual live help tutoring section, and this is how you get started with that tutoring session. So first you'll choose your topic, and then you'll choose the subject within that topic. And then we want to check these two options over here. First is tutor availability. Make sure there is a tutor who can help you. It will say tutors are available 24/7 or some other time frame. And then here are preferences. This part is important. The cool thing about Brainfuse is it is online chat-based tutoring. So when you click connect and join that call, you're really entering into a kind of a chat room. And so you don't have to worry about, oh, I want to get some help, but I don't want to have to, join a video call and, look good for the video and all that. I don't want to have my camera on. There's nothing like that involved. It's just, a lot of texting and typing. But you have the option to tutor with audio. And so that will enable you to talk with your tutor instead of just having to type through the whole session. So if you prefer to talk, you don't want to have to type everything out, make sure you click on preferences and you check this box. They also have a button to tutor in Spanish. So if it's going to be easier for you to work through the material and get that help in Spanish, check this box as well. So once you look through the preferences, you have everything selected here, you'll click connect and it'll send you to a little loading page while you wait a few moments for a tutor to join your session. And then next is the writing lab. So this is another really great feature of Brainfuse. In here, you can submit a rough draft of some writing assignment that you're working on, explain what it is. You can even choose some specific elements of your writing you want extra feedback on, like maybe your grammar, your spelling, your organization of the paper, things like that. And you send it off. You upload a copy of your paper, you send it off. And then within 24 hours, Brainfuse will send your paper back to you with a lot of feedback, some tips for revision, and even some links to resources that are going to strengthen your writing skills. So really great stuff in here. We have other separate videos where we go in depth on what this live help section looks like and how to submit your assignment through the writing lab.